Do you believe in love after love after? Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech 5, and today is a good day. It's a good day because I finally got something that I have been waiting for, that I've been excited for since I heard about it. Guys, I'm gonna show you what I got, and we're gonna talk about it. I finally got the Quest 2. I did. It came out today, and I'm so excited to have it, and I'm going to tell you why. Because I had the Rift S for about a year, and as much as I love VR games, I really do. I think VR is the greatest piece of hardware that I have ever owned. I think it's fantastic. It's the greatest piece of gaming technology I've ever experienced, and you couldn't convince me otherwise. But the problem that I've had as of late with my Rift S is constantly dealing with crashes that it would have. It did this thing where the grips, the hands, they would freeze, and there was no way to fix it unless you turned your computer completely off. Not closing the program, not unplugging the hardware and plugging it back in. None of that worked. You had to restart completely, and then you could. It was so annoying. Oculus knew about this and they never fixed it. And I feel like it was just to push the Quest 2, but whatever. I don't care. It's here. It's done. It's over with. I'm gonna review this thing. I'm excited. Now guys, listen, I want to be able to give away more things, and I didn't get this Quest for free. I would like to get to that point where I am able to get things for free to review, and I would like to be able to turn around and give that stuff to you guys. So if you guys want to help me achieve that, if you could, go ahead and give it a like and a subscribe. I'm trying to build something here for you guys. Hopefully hopefully you guys want to be a part of it. So without further ado, we're gonna unbox this thing. We're gonna check this out. Let's do it. Quest 2. Oculus was able to improve the Quest 2 in every single aspect. The weight, the comfortability, the sleekness, the visuals, everything has been improved on this model. You will not find a better headset that has a higher value per dollar. It does not exist. This is going to be the absolute best value. Now with this model, the visual experience has been increased. Now you can expect to see an 1832 by 1920 lens per eye, and that is better than the Valve Index and the original Quest and the Rift S. It's actually one of the best lenses that there is on the market right now. Now, I do have to mention that the IPD, and that is the little sliding adjuster that you would see in like the Valve Index or the Rift S or even the Quest, has been changed. You actually physically slide the lenses, and there's only 3 possible settings. And because of that, some people might not be able to achieve perfect clarity with this thing. And that's unfortunate they did that, but that's kind of part and why this headset was able to be procured for so cheap. But still, you're going to see a very clear lens. So I did go ahead and try out this stock strap that comes with the Quest 2, and I gotta say it's definitely more comfortable than the original Quest for sure. But after playing with it about 30 minutes or so, I did kind of find myself shifting it around here and there. And not to say it was unbearable, but I already had the Elite strap, and I definitely wasn't gonna just leave it there and not try it out. And I have to say, the Elite strap is way better. It definitely made me feel like I could wear the headset for hours if I wanted to, and do so comfortably. If you were interested in that and you wanted this to be your main headset, I recommend it. Standalone and PC mode are far better than before with the Quest 2. A lot of the games were even upgraded for the Quest 2, giving them even better resolutions. You can thank the new Snapdragon XR2 giving the power of the Quest 2 a significant boost to graphic capability. So you won't have to worry about all the frame drops you may have experienced with your Oculus Quest if you had one before. So for the audio quality, Oculus actually decided to continue to go with their head strap audio design. And I think that's probably one of their biggest controversial issues among the Oculus design, after they kind of drifted away from the original Rift design. And as a side note, I felt that the Rift audio was fantastic, the original Rift. However, the head strap audio found in the Rift S and Quest 2 aren't terrible, but the better the audio in a VR application means greater immersion. So that said, if you want to be more immersed, use some type of headphones. Now the microphone has certainly improved, and it is much better than what I experienced in the Rift S. And I'm sure if you get in Discord with any of your friends, they're probably gonna appreciate this upgrade as well. I thought that Rift S microphone was terrible. So the controllers, I personally thought that this was a great upgrade from the Quest 1 controllers. It really gives me that OG Rift feeling, and I thought that the original Rift had the absolute best controllers ever made for VR. And I still really don't know why they went with this redesign. Maybe it was better for tracking. I really don't know. And I hate that they ever changed it. They did fix the battery cover disconnect though, and that's without a doubt a great change. So you guys might have noticed in the background that I've been playing Alex Half-Life. Now, I am doing this wirelessly through the PCVR wireless technique that you can do, and I will actually leave a couple of videos in the description so you can check those out and actually do this yourself if you are interested in doing it. But this I am achieving without having the actual Oculus Link cable. And guys, I gotta tell you, it looks fantastic. It really looks no different if I were actually having this plugged in, and it definitely looks better than when I played it on my Rift S. So, but I do want to actually also say now, because I've been looking at this footage and I see that it's actually done some stuttering, or what it appears to be some stuttering. When I was in this headset at this point, I never had any of this little lagging or latency drops that I ever even noticed when I was actually playing. And I'm not even using a Wi-Fi 6 router. And they say that's actually what you're supposed to use, but I'm on a 5 gigahertz network right now, and I'm right by my router, and I had no issues actually inside my headset. So this may just be some sort of stutter that's happening in disconnect between the CPU and compression and capture going on. So it's actually, I wanted to address that just in case you guys see and kind of get some sort of false impression of what's going on right now. I am having no problems in this headset. So with that said, in my opinion, the wireless experience for the money paid cannot be matched by any other headset, period. Wireless PCVR and standalone is king in this headset. Now, I feel it would be really irresponsible of me as a reviewer of tech and trying to give you guys all the information if I just kind of left it at that. I 100% stand by what I said about you not being able to get a better PC VR wireless experience than you can with this headset. I stand by it 100%. However, if being tethered does not bother you, I believe that the HP Reverb 2 is going to be the best experience that you will be able to attain in a tethered VR headset. So if you've got the money for that, I would probably consider waiting on that. So the privacy on this thing's actually kind of got a surrounding concern, and that's just because of the whole deal with Facebook actually forcing us to have a Facebook account tied to our Oculus headsets now, and there's all kinds of concerns surrounding that as far as privacy goes, and I won't go too far into that, but if you're comfortable with that, then I just want you guys to be informed, to know that that is kind of the surrounding issues there. If you would like me to expand on that, you're welcome to ask me in the comments. I'll gladly share with you. So in conclusion, do I believe that you should get this headset? Yes, I think that this is a great product that Facebook has put out. I think that it is a fantastic device that everybody should own. I often think of Back to the Future, which some of you may not know, it's an older movie, but I think it's a fantastic movie, and it's always been one of my favorite things. And I always used to get so excited just thinking back to what games would possibly be in the future, and seeing where VR is gone and where it was. I love it. I love it, and I think that everybody should experience a piece of the future, because it's great. And where it's going to continue to go, it's just, God, I think everybody should be a part of it. I really do. I really do. I love it. I'm not trying to be like a fanboy, but I am a fanboy on this for sure. So, guys, I would get one. I don't know. if you got more money and you have the funds and you want that super premium experience, like I said, if you don't mind being tethered, get an HP Reverb. But either way, this is not a bad headset to have in your home for whatever. It's just not. It's not. It's so good. It's a good headset. Guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that I answered any sort of questions that you may have had. If you do have some further questions that you'd like to ask, please ask them. I do not mind helping. I do not. Guys, like I said before, I would like to get to where I'm able to actually give stuff away to you guys, like a Quest headset, other things. You know, guys, I'm trying to build something here that I can give off good information and good reviews and good content and be able to actually give things away to you guys too. So if you could give the video a like, a comment, a share, a subscribe, something, it helps me tremendously. It helps me to continue to grow and to continue to do this, and I hope you guys want to be a part of the community. So I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe, and if not, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember guys, it's a vibe, a tech vibe specifically. We'll see you.